Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a skincare gem, the Ordinary Squalane Cleanser. As you know, the Ordinary is all about simplicity and affordability in skincare. While they're renowned for their serums and treatments, they've also ventured into the realm of cleansers. I've been using the Squalane Cleanser in my daily routine for a few weeks now, and in this review, I'm excited to share my experiences with you. The Ordinary Squalane Cleanser is specifically formulated to gently cleanse your skin while leaving it soft, smooth, and hydrated. What's great is that it caters to all skin types, is pH balanced, non-comedogenic, vegan, and cruelty-free. Let's get into the key ingredients that make this product shine. The star of the show is squalane, a fantastic moisturizing agent. It's joined by glycerin, tocopherol, hydroxymethoxyphenyldecanone, and malic acid, all of which contribute to the overall health and appearance of your skin. Moving on to the texture and packaging, the Squalane Cleanser comes in a convenient gray tube with a flip cap. This design makes it quick and mess-free to dispense. Before application, the texture feels luxurious, resembling a rich cleansing cream. However, it quickly melts into your skin, making it super easy to work with. You'll find that you only need a small amount, and it rinses away cleanly without leaving any unpleasant residue. So, how does it perform? Well, it does an exceptional job of leaving my combination skin feeling both hydrated and smooth without the dreaded tightness or dryness that some cleansers can cause. It's noteworthy that this cleanser maintains a pH level between 5.5–6.5, ensuring gentleness on the skin. Personally, I've had no issues with irritation or sensitivity. It's also fragrance-free and free of artificial colorants, aligning with the Ordinary's commitment to simplicity and effectiveness. I found that this cleanser works particularly well when I'm using potent actives like retinol or exfoliating acids. These products can sometimes lead to flakiness and irritation, but the Squalane Cleanser's gentle nature and the soothing properties of squalane help combat these issues. This makes it an excellent choice for those with dry or sensitive skin. Of course, no product is perfect. One potential drawback is that it doesn't foam. If you're a fan of foaming cleansers, this might not be your top choice. Additionally, if you wear heavy makeup, including eye makeup and mascara, it might not entirely remove everything on its own. In such cases, you might need to double cleanse or follow up with another cleanser. Regarding price and size, the smaller 1.7 Oz tube is quite affordable. However, there's also a larger 5.0 Oz option priced at almost $20. While this isn't overly expensive, it's not the most budget-friendly product in the Ordinary's lineup. To wrap things up, the Ordinary Squalane Cleanser has worked remarkably well for my skin, especially when it's dehydrated and sensitized. If you have sensitive or dry skin, I highly recommend giving it a try. It's a gentle, effective, and reasonably priced option that's worth considering. Just a quick reminder on how to use it. Rub it between your palms for 10–30 seconds to change the texture from a balm to an oil-like consistency. Massage it into your dry face, add warm water to emulsify, and rinse. It doesn't foam, but it transforms into a milky cleanser that effectively dissolves makeup, dirt, and oil. For those concerned about acne, this cleanser is a good choice. It's non-comedogenic and gentle, making it suitable for oily skin types prone to breakouts. It won't strip your skin or aggravate acne. Plus, the non-comedogenic squalane helps soothe and hydrate the skin, which can aid in restoring a damaged skin barrier, a crucial factor in preventing breakouts. Thank you for joining me today for this review of the Ordinary Squalane Cleanser. If you've tried it or have any questions, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more skincare reviews and beauty tips. Until next time, take care of your skin and stay beautiful.